So life has a way of throwing you into situations that you normally wouldn't put yourself in, such as being in a hurricane in Cancun. But look at me. I'm walking down the street meeting a bunch of wonderful people. And yeah, so it's all good. I just wish I could tell my daughters we're okay. But anyway, I gotta go because I'm gonna run out of battery if I continue on this path. So we had a Category 2 hurricane, not a 4, and right now we're in the eye. So I thought I'd take a couple of videos. This is a small neighborhood, about, I'd say 10 or 15 miles out of Cancun, away from Hotel Zone. It had some damage, but it was mostly trees and possibly metal, sheathing from roofs and stuff, but otherwise everybody's fine. And even the outdoor neighborhood dog is fine, even though he howled all morning. We don't need alarm clocks on here with Charlie around, that's for sure. I thought he was dying and all he wanted was in. Anyway, kind of a cool view of a sweet town. May not look like much, but these people are amazing. Everyone knows everyone, they're all family. And everybody is so cordial and inviting and pleasant. And willing to do things. This is the metal that was making all the racket. It's horrible. The place is coming around. Okay. So here it is again, people. All these people are out. Oh, I found a puppy! I found a puppy! I found a puppy! Hi, baby!
También quiso venir a ver.
Anyway, you have the whole neighborhood, everybody joining in, cleaning up, and there's still another part of the storm to come. Like I said, we were in the eye of it right now. This little lady right here on the right is our hostess. She's a doll.
We got a puppy. We're on our way back to the hotel, and the closer we get to the ocean, the more damage you see. Mostly trees and that type of thing are down. People walking. Anyway, I'll just keep taking little snippets. All the boats, it's amazing how fast they got everything out of the water. Amazing, amazing. This is really a mess. As you can all see, it's going to take a while to clean it up.
Most dangerous thing is a flying piece of metal.
Yeah.
Or not being able to see and run into something.
Oh, this is too bad. This is the area where most people go to party. And you can see it really got nailed bad. I mean, really bad. Windows are out. Everything's just kind of whack, unfortunately. This is the straw market, but that was pretty well boarded up. I don't know what's on the other side, where Bongo Congo is, but can't see it. That's really unfortunate. Lots and lots and lots of trees down along the boulevard, unfortunately. Darn it. This really got it bad. We're in the hotel zone, and that is the area that they absolutely had to vacate, and now we can see why. Yeah. Some more trees that are completely down. Looks like.
close-knit community. Standing water. Yeah. This probably recognized by I just got wet. I have my window down too much. Oh well. We closed out a lot easier in our hotel, so I'm just going to get down to the This is the walk we need to take. Some windows to get roller skated. I love this stuff. This kind of damaged up. We see over by Lebanon. More standing water. Expect rain. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Jan, all right. There's one. Maybe you've been here since we have. It's in a much better place. That's such a nice though. Alright guys. Good. Isla is right heading so the Bunamar is to our left. Weston. Let's see how it goes. There's Weston. We're back. And it looks like they're going to let us get in our room. That'd be awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Look, everything looks pretty darn
You want to go
good.
this way to the right, Patty?
No, I don't think so. If we,
Okay.
no, we're going to go with, yeah. We need to make sure we can get into our room, Tom, with the electric and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
You know what? Can
we
you
are.
come in with us?
Okay, we're back at the Westin Laguna Mar. The rooms in the hotel, it's in impeccable condition, honestly. Other than some sand and seaweed laying around, other than that, there's very little damage. There's a few trees like here and broken branches. The swimming pool that they were supposed to have done refurbishing by Antoro is now full of seawater and sand, so I don't think there's much hope of us using this particular swimming pool. I have no idea what the other one looks like, but I don't think it's in much better condition. It's still very windy out. Jan, I'm right, I might even notice that it's very little damage. There's a few things that look like they can be fixed very easy, like the trellising for the chairs usually, and a couple of poplars right here, and one's over there. I haven't, like I said, been on the other side yet. I'm going to do that later, but I wanted to post this for everybody. Of course, the wind is picking up again. It's not hurricane force winds, and of course the ocean, well, you can see what it is doing. No swimming, unless you really don't like your life. Tom and I are going to go for a walk later on, get the kinks out. It was a very interesting time. These people we stayed with were quite amazing indeed, and we were very, very lucky to have found them. The folks that we talked to that stayed in the shelter said it was just not that great. So, surprise,
surprise. Anyway, we're all back and all unpacked again. And it looks good. And Nikki and Phil, everything's fine. I see no reason for you not to come, but let's watch the weather and see how it goes, okay? But it should be really, really nice by the time you're here. Talk to you later.